What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. I want to ask you all to do me a big favor. Take 5 seconds of your time and go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. And while you're at it, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Right now, I just got word from Palm Beach Dyno that we can go wide open throttle. So I'm loading the new tune onto the car right now. If you haven't seen the last video, we are officially on the E85. So we got about 5 minutes until this tune's loaded. Then we're gonna drive it around a little, and then later on tonight we will get that watt pole. All right, guys, this is officially gonna be the first cold start on the E85. Let's hear it. Spun a little and hooked and went, but other than that, it's quick. I was literally like 40 to 120 in just a few seconds. Let's see what 6th gear at 2500 RPM is. Same time. So 45. Alright guys, sorry for the interruption in the phone call, but I'm pretty happy with those poles. E85 definitely helps with the cooling, without a doubt. Pull over to the gas station right now, make sure we have no check engine lights. Well, there's none on the dash, but make sure that there's no codes or anything, which I guess we can do right now. Same code as always, P0A5B, generator current sensor, current low. I have no idea what it is. I can never figure it out. It's honestly been there since I've had the car. So if you have any idea, please let me know so I can get that issue taken care of. Some people suggested that it may be the alternator. I can't see how it is. Voltage is at 14.5 volts pretty much at all times. I got a brand new battery in there. So really, I have no idea what it can be. Alright, so the car is pulling pretty good on E85. Not gonna lie, it's on a base tune, but this is the fastest that the car has ever been. Probably the fastest car that I've personally been in. And that'd be the police. Anyhow, I'm definitely happy in the direction that the car is going in. Doing the pull, my heat soak issue was a lot less than what it generally would be. Before, I would be good for one gear, a solid 2500 to 7500 RPMs. This time I was able to do 2 back-to-back pulls without any timing being pulled. So that's a big plus. Not to mention that the ambient temperatures are much lower today, so that helps out a lot. But either way, I was able to go from 3rd gear through 6th gear and still not break 150 IATs. So a lot better than what it used to be. Being on E85 just allows the engine to run a lot cooler, because obviously E85 burns much cooler than 91 or 93. So that's helped me a lot. So hopefully once the ice tank is set up and the thermostat, it will help a lot more. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Again, let me know how much I'm going to make on the dyno when this tune is said and done. Again, I still have a couple of things to do. I have to do the fuel regulator ice tank, and the thermostat, and this build will pretty much be done performance-wise for now. With that being said, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.